for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, bed liner, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.